CEG, College of Engineering Gindi, is a public engineering college in Chennai, India, and is India's oldest technical institution, founded in 1794, and it is also the oldest technical institution to be established outside Europe. CEG Gindi offers undergraduate engineering degrees in various fields, and it has 16 departments, 6 university affiliated centers, and 12 research centers where research programs are offered with close ties with industry, excellent research practices, and multiple extracurricular options. The institution advances the progression of students' quest for knowledge. And the various events held at CEG are Kurukshetra, which is known for being the first ever techno management college festival to attain UNESCO patronage and has continued to be one of the most awaited inter-college technical festivals. It has been certified with ISO 9001 2015 and has acquired the support of Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, Digital India, and the National E-Governance Division, Government of India in 2016. It conducts technical events, workshops, guest lectures, and displays projects to students, technical opportunities, and knowledge. And TechOfest, the inter-college cultural event, is one of the South India's largest college festival with an exciting array of events from debates to dance, innovative workshops on photography, DJing, etc., and pro shows. Sangarsh, organized by Rotaract Club of CEG. Sangarsh is a musical concert aimed at raising funds for needy sections of the society. Enantra, it is conducted by Capitalize and it is the largest entrepreneurship fest in South India and one of the largest in the country. It is packed with both technical and non-technical events useful for students, especially those who want to pursue management degrees in the time to come. The courses offered at CEG are Material Science and Engineering, Computer Science and Engineering, Biomedical Engineering, Printing Technology, Mining Engineering, Manufacturing Engineering, Electronics and Communication Engineering, Information Technology, Mechanical Engineering, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, Agricultural and Irrigation, Civil Engineering, and Geoinformatics of marks for CEG for various castes and for various departments are for OC it is 193 to 199, for BCM it is 192 to 198, for BC it is 167 to 198, for MBC it is 168 to 198, for SC it is 161 to 196. Facilities at Anna University. Hostels. The university also provides housing and accommodation facilities that helps to accommodate CEG's diverse student body. The campus has about 16 hostels with a capacity of housing over 3,500 students. Each hostel block has the necessary facilities required to cater the needs of the students. The hostel mess are located in large centralized halls which serve hygienic and nutritious meals at regular intervals. Besides the hostel dining facility, there are food outlets, departmental stores, restaurants, and cafes within the campus that offer fast food, pastries, juice, snacks, ice creams, etc. The Anna University Hostel has a very responsible attitude and acts quickly to address the issues faced by the students, and the fee structure is very affordable and feasible. Scholarships. Students who wish to pursue engineering from Anna University but cannot afford the original tuition fees are given the opportunity to avail subsidized tuition fees through scholarship programs. Students from humble backgrounds are provided with financial assistance for various undergraduate and postgraduate courses based on merit. Candidates who possess eligible merits can benefit from these scholarship programs by providing genuine and proper documents regarding parental income to the association and scholarship members. The scholarship is granted on a sort of means come merit basis to the students which aim to maximize their academical potential despite their current financial shortcomings. Sports. The Anna University Sports Board ensuring the smooth and efficient conduct of zonal and interzonal tournaments involving all the institutions at Anna University. It encourages sportsmanship and healthy competitions among the colleges involved. All the institutions, constituent, government aided, and self financing under Anna University are divided into 19 zones, each zone involving 25 to 30 colleges. Every zone has zonal sports coordinator responsible for the sports activities of the zone, and the other facilities are banking, library, internet connection, and canteen. The placement at CEG campus and the major recruiters are Adobe, Caterpillar, Cognizant, Coromandel, International Limited, IBM, Indian Oil Corporation Limited, Infosys, Mahindra and Mahindra, Maruti Suzuki, Mu Sigma, Qualcomm India, Ranbaxy Laboratories, Saint Gobain Glass, SRF Limited, Thermax Walters, Wipro, Accenture, Ashok Leyland, Acer Group, General Motors, HPCL, JK Tyre, Lanson and Turbo Limited, Morgan Stanley, ONGC, Reliance Industry Limited, and many more. The list is displayed on the screen. Why CEG? Internationally, Anna University was ranked 751 to 800 in the QS World Universities Rankings of 2020. The same rankings ranked it 169 in Asia in 2020 and 87 among BRICS nation in 2019. It was ranked with 20th in India overall by National Institute Ranking Framework in 2020, 12th among universities, 14th in engineering ranking and 59th in the management ranking. Also, ISRO has permitted Anna University to start a separate TV channel. The university has established Tamil Nadu's first interactive satellite terminal under the KU band of EduSat. Anna University Microsatellite ANU-SAT is an Indian student-built microsatellite. ANU-SAT is the first satellite designed and developed by an Indian university, and it is the first satellite in India to be built and operated by any organization other than ISRO. It carries a primary store and forward payload and auxiliary technology demonstration payloads. It was launched abroad PSLV-C12 on 20th April 2009. The satellite's development was sponsored by ISRO. The college counseling code for CEG is 1. Contact college at 044 2235 8476. The website is www.annauniv.edu or www.ceg.annauniv.edu. The college is located at Sardar Patel Road, Gindi, Chennai 600025.